Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Describe the picture. Beginner's level English. Lively day at the park. In this vibrant illustration, the scene captures a lively day at the park filled with joyful activities. A sunny sky sets the tone, with a smiling sun and a playful bird soaring above. On the left, a young boy walks his dog, a friendly white puppy trotting happily beside him. Near a park bench, an elderly woman reads a newspaper, enjoying a moment of relaxation. In the center, two children engage in play, one boy standing at the bottom of a slide, and a girl sliding down with excitement. Their laughter and energy add to the lively atmosphere. Nearby, another child rides a bicycle, wearing a helmet and protective gear, showcasing the importance of safety during fun outdoor activities. The playground equipment stands colorful and inviting, surrounded by blossoming flowers and greenery, enhancing the carefree environment of childhood. This scene beautifully portrays community, friendship, and the joys of outdoor play. Questions and answers practice. What is the weather like in the picture?
It is sunny with a clear sky.
What activity is the young boy doing?
He is walking his dog.
What is the elderly woman doing?
She is reading a newspaper.
What type of animal is in the scene?
A friendly white dog.
What are the children playing on?
They are playing on a slide.
What safety equipment is the cyclist wearing?
A helmet and protective gear.
How does the playground appear?
It is colorful and inviting.
What expressions do the children have?
They look happy and joyful.
What adds to the liveliness of the scene?
The children's active play and the sunny atmosphere.
What elements signify a community setting?
The park, playground equipment, and interactions among people.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.